Okay guys, hello there and welcome to this channel. Welcome to this tutorial. Actually, this is my first tutorial in this channel, so let me know your thoughts about this video. In today's tutorial, we'll be discussing and reviewing an easy to use video maker, a very good and easy one actually, called Vidnami. In this review tutorial, we will discuss about everything you really need to know about Vidnami. We will discuss about what Vidnami really is, who really needs it, why it is a good software. We will discuss about why should you use it, do you really need it. We will discuss about its key features, we will discuss about its pricing. Then later on we will go into a practical section where I will teach you how to use this software. In this practical section, I will create a marketing video. So if you stay to the end and decide to use this software, I have a bonus for you because actually I am an affiliate of this software, so I have a bonus for you. So before we proceed, if you are interested, I have prepared a presentation concerning this software and also a written content concerning this software. You will find the link in the description below. So before we proceed, please subscribe to this channel, smash the notification button so as to get notified when I release new quality videos. Like this video, share and comment. Let me know your thoughts. This is my first video in this channel. Let me know your thoughts about this video. So let's dive straight into the subject of the day. Okay guys, so before we go into the live section, I would like to share some slides with you and explain to you what the software really is. So what is Vidnami? Vidnami is this easy to use software where all you just need to do is copy and paste. Yeah, that looks very funny, right? All you just need to what is just get your title ready, get your script ready, copy and paste it there. Then the AI in this software will help you analyze it. Why use Vidnami? Vidnami is an easy to use software. Unlike other videos creator where you have to manually insert pictures, video clips and transition, with Vidnami, all you just need to do is to simply input your text, input your video title, input your script, then sit down and watch the artificial intelligence in this software analyze your script, select clips, images, transition and everything that fits your content, and then it will add it to it. Then if you are willing, if you are feeling like editing it, you can also edit it. Also, why is it important to use this software? For us that we are shy to get on camera or to have your voice on a video, you can easily use this software. With this software, you don't need to get on camera, then you will still pass the same information. Yes, and also you don't need to get your voice over a video. If you need a voice on a video, this software has an auto voiceover feature whereby there is an option where you can automatically generate a voice for your video. Are you getting me now? So what are the key benefits of Vidnami? It is very easy to use. Yes, it is very easy to use. This software needs zero technicality. With zero video creation skill, you can make anything with this software. You can make any videos with this software. Yeah, this video software help us in time management. It also help you in creating multiple videos per day. Then the best of all of the benefit of this software is that you can use this software in creating any kind of video, and then it is also available on all devices. All you just need to do what, get your device ready, get your browser ready and have an internet connection. So what are the key benefits of this video maker? One, it has quality pictures. I can bet you on this video maker has quality videos. Even it is connected with storyblogs. Some of us know storyblogs has quality images. So with no additional cost, this video software is connected with storyblogs. So they have quality images, quality video clips, auto voiceover. Like I said earlier, they has auto voiceover. It also has video templates. It has good transitions, good quality video, and also has different video sizes. You can make your video in different sizes. Then it has large quality music tracks. There's no need for you to start inputting music tracks. It has large quality music tracks. So which videos can you create with Vidnami? One, you can create business videos. You can create videos for your blog, for your vlog, for your YouTube channel, for Facebook ads, Instagram ads, name it, for social media, for Facebook, for your business, for your course. If you're a course instructor, you can create videos with Vidnami. Now, who can use Vidnami? YouTubers, video creators, affiliate marketers, course instructor, digital marketers, bloggers, you, me. Everybody should use Vidnami and can use Vidnami. It is a very easy to use software. Now, how it works. So now I would like us to dive into my browser straight where we will create our marketing videos, where I will show you step by step how this software really works. Okay guys, so here we are in my browser. All you just need to do is to go to your browser and type in vidnami.com, vidnami.com. Then you will get to this landing page. So from here, all you need to do is to what? Click on try now, where you'll be signed up. You submit your details, and then um you have to confirm your subscription to your email. I have done this already, so I won't want to take our time with this. So this is my account already. After you have confirmed your email and then you have done everything necessary, you'll be taken to this dashboard. So this is your dashboard. To create a video, you just click on create a new video. Okay, it is loading. Okay guys, so as you can see, once you click on create a new video, you'll be taken to this section where what you just have to do is to select a format, either landscape or portrait. Then you select a template. You scroll through any of the template, then you select a template. So I'll go for this. Okay, so you scroll down, you'll be able to preview this template. You can either customize this template or use it now. So I'll just click on use this now. Okay, so it is loading the script. Yeah, like I told you, all you just have to do is what? Copy and paste the name of your video, add your script. Okay, so the name of my video, hello world. Okay, then my script, that is the content of your video. I am Oladipo Sukomi, a digital marketer. Buy my course now. Okay, now then the next thing to do, you can either use this advanced option if you want to edit anything, but I won't do anything over there. Then you click on create scenes, then your scenes will load up. Wait for your scenes to load up. Okay, so can you see the magic now? Like I told you earlier, after adding your script, it will generate images and scenes all by itself. So if you are willing, you can, if you want, you can edit the image from here, but I will leave it this way, and then it has created the scenes. You see, you did not give it any option to create this kind of scene, but it analyzed it itself and created this scene. So if you want to edit it, you are free to edit it. This is the edit panel here, but I won't do anything here. So the next thing to do is what? Add your video track, add your voice track, sorry. Okay, so you can add your voice track from here. You can use the auto voiceover. So this auto voiceover works with the script you have added. So it will speak, it will talk, contain according to the script you have added. So you can record your own voice, then you can upload a video track, but I will use no track just because of our time. Then you click on preview your video. Okay guys, so once you click on preview your video, then you come to the final stage of editing where you can do the last set of editing over here. So you can preview your video over here, look at how it will look. You can add another video, you can add more music. Then there are much more options here, but I will leave it this way. Then I will click on looks good, continue. So you can be able to generate your video. Okay, so it will come to this area, then you click on generate video. Okay, so guys, as you can see, it is generating the video already, and it's telling me that please note videos generated during your free trial will be watermarked. So I'm using the free trial already. You know, when you sign up, sign up with free trial, but it's no more to use the free trial. You can upgrade this now. So I'm just using the free trial for the sake of this tutorial. So we are generating our video. Let's wait a bit for the video to get generated. Okay guys, so you see a video is generated already, so you can download it from here and download it straight down to your device. You see it is very easy, step by step, very straightforward and very nice, very fast. So let's dive back into the slides where I will talk more about the pricing and about my bonus. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is the pricing of the software. For a monthly plan, this software costs $47, and for the annual plan it costs $397. You see that this software is relatively cheap, and then the features are the same. If you are going for the monthly and for the annual plan, the features are the same and they are very high quality features. So going to my bonus for the day now. So if you sign up with my affiliate link, you will get the chance to have two options of additional offers. The first offer is, if you sign up with this link, you will get a discount of 25% off. That is, if you sign up with this discount offer link, you will get 25% off the price of Vidnami, or you can get their YouTube SEO cheat sheet. So for us that are YouTubers and for people that want to be making videos for their YouTube, they can go for this other offer. Okay guys, so that is pretty much all you need to know about this software. So I believe this software is a very good one, and I think you should use it for most of us that need to create videos, but we have been down one way or the other. This is a very good solution for us. So go and enjoy your Vidnami video creator. Okay, so before you go, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell, like, share and comment below. I'll be very grateful to reply to your comments. So bye bye.